GapChek measures the folding gaps created at the manufacturer's joint of each box in every corrugated bundle. Positioned after the counter-ejector, two cameras measure both trailing and leading edge gaps with precision. During setup, automatic servo-driven adjustments ensure exact positioning and exposure of cameras for imaging. With illuminated views of gaps, GapChek helps operators know when they are straying from the target gap dimension. Displayed in an easy-to-read SPC chart, the accumulated gap data enables tracking gap sizes and identifying trends while displaying CP and CPK to ensure conformance to customer standards. When an out-of-spec gap measurement is detected, the bundle is ejected and operators can see which boxes in the stack are defective and remove them. GapChek's AI-based vision algorithms adapt to square boxes, tapered flaps, double wall, and many other variations present in normal production. Use GapChek to guarantee that every bundle meets customer standards. GapChek, along with all Clear Vision solutions, are supported by Measurement Check, My System Check, and Support Check Plus. Measurement Check collects production data and quality statistics, allowing you to extract quality data, break down defect segmentation, and review historical data and trends. My System Check provides plant personnel remote access to view the Clear Vision screen in real time from anywhere in the world. Support Check Plus offers comprehensive 24/7 remote support, monthly remote health checks, and backup services, ensuring your quality inspection systems operate at peak performance.